kompresijas apģērbs, komandu ekipējums, sporta uzturs, Mueller sporta teipi un ortozes, inventārs sporta zālēm, hallēm un arēnām. bestsportteam.com – labākā izvēle sportam.
Yeah, I be on that shit. Used to see when I'm stunting, the flash stones to be button. Push the whip, see me rolling. You can tell that I'm howling. I'm just doing my thing. You know the units, the gang. I got my crime, you shady with me. You front, you'll have to get me off your ass and pay the lawsuit and laugh. It's not a big deal, it's nothing but some cash. Let's go.
Marshall Mathers. To the rage of today's youth and bottle it. Crush the glass with my bare hands and swallow it, and spit it back in the faces of you racists and hypocrites who think the same shit but don't say shit. You Liberace's, Versace's, and you Nazis. Watch me cause you thinking you got me in this hot seat. You motherfuckers wanna judge me cause you're not me. You'll never stop me, I'm top speed and you pop me. I came to save these new generations of babies from parents who failed to raise them cause they're lazy to grow to praise me and making them go crazy. That's how I got this whole nation to embrace me. And you fugazi if you think I'ma admit wrong. I cripple any hypocritic critic I'm sicked on. And this song is for any kid who gets picked on. A sick song to retaliate to in this kind of music. Use it and you get amped to do shit. Whenever you hear some shit and you can't refuse it, it's just some shit for these kids that trash their rules with. Just refuse whenever they ask to do shit. The type of shit that you don't have to ask who produced it. You just know that's the new shit. The type of shit that causes mass confusion. The drastic movement of people acting stupid. It's fight music.
Shady, she on the national.
Yeah, y'all, let's bring it.